Hey guys, so I tackled this question yesterday and I thought I'd make a little video on it because I'm sure more people have the same question. What are home loan options? And the one in particular I was talking to yesterday had never bought a home before, so he had no idea. There's several options, and it also depends on the property that you're looking at, which your realtor can tell you if that property will qualify for certain loans. And what I mean by that is like FHA and rural development like your home to be at a certain standard of living before they will approve the loan. And it can be anything from has to have floor covering to chipped paint on the outside window sill. But your realtor knows this and can kind of tell you the differences. Now, an FHA is usually your first-time home buyer type loans. And usually you see those go with maybe a 3.5% down payment, sometimes a 7% down payment. You got to work that out with your loan officer. And then you see rural development loans, and you can do those with a 0% down. Now, if you're a veteran, you also have the option of a VA loan. And with VA loans, you can do those with 0% down. And each loan has a few different requirements, and it depends. Now, if you're looking at fixer-uppers, you're probably going to need what's called a conventional loan. A conventional loan will usually work for the fixer-upper type homes because there's less requirements, like you got to have that painted or it's got to have a new roof. And a conventional loan does come with a down payment, but there again, you got to work that out with your loan officer to see what size down payment works for you. There's several options. So any of you that think owning a home is out of reach and you'll never qualify for a loan, you would be very surprised. Please contact me. I would love to talk to you about it, and I can refer you to several good loan officers, or go to your local bank and start talking to your loan officer and ask them. They can tell you. You would probably be surprised about what loan you can be qualified for and how much house you can be qualified to buy. You never know until you try. And if you don't qualify right now, most loan officers will tell you what steps you need to take to get qualified. Maybe you've got 2 giant vehicle payments, and maybe you need to sell one of those vehicles. Maybe you have a lot of credit card debt and you need to bring that debt down before you qualify for a home loan. Have these conversations and find out, because you would be surprised. You could be a homeowner. All it's going to take is asking a few questions and doing a little bit of work, but you can own your own home. It's not a dream that's out of reach for anyone. If you want to continue this conversation, let's talk, let's connect. Drop me a line. Whatever works for you. I am Brittany Roberts with Select Realty.